Most B2B teams are not losing deals because of a lack of demand. They're losing deals because everything is disconnected. Your data lives in one place, your ads run in another, and your sales team is left guessing how to connect the dots. Signals are coming in every day. 1. Website visits. 2. Content engagement. And 3. Buying research. Without orchestration, those signals turn into noise. When signals are missed, opportunities disappear quietly. That's exactly why we built SalesboxAI. Not as another point tool, but as a one AI-powered B2B demand generation and ABM platform. At its core is the SalesboxAI platform, one AI-powered B2B demand generation and ABM platform. The AI-powered platform unifies your data, orchestration, and analytics into a single system. Sales and marketing finally operate from the same source of truth across accounts and buying groups. Then comes AI-driven intent, because 98% of your website traffic is anonymous. SalesboxAI changes that by identifying who's visiting your website so you have first-party data you generate, what they care about, and who's actually in market. Once we know who the buyers are, our programmatic ads engine takes over. AI agents programmatically target the exact buying groups that matter. Bids, channels, and messaging are optimized in real time, automatically. Finally, the native AI agents, AI revenue assistants that engage prospects 24/7 over email and chat. They nurture, qualify, and book meetings working together, so no high-intent lead is ever left waiting. All of this results in a seamless flow, from first-party intent signal to booked meetings. If you're ready to stop managing tools and start running omnichannel marketing, tell us where you want to start. SalesboxAI platform, programmatic ads, intent, or agents.